Hey guys, adding story highlights to Facebook is a great way to keep your friends and followers updated on what's going on your life. In this video, I'll show you how to add stories highlights on Facebook. I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can add story highlights of your own in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. First of all, open up the Facebook mobile application and then you simply have to tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu screen, tap on your name to go to your Facebook profile. Then you simply have to tap on the three little dots and then tap where it says archive, and then at the top of the screen an option called story archive. Now it will show you all of your past stories that you have been posting on your Facebook account. So if you want to add any of these stories as a highlight, tap on the story that you like, and at the bottom right corner of the screen you will see an option called feature. You simply have to tap on this. Now you have to give the title to your highlight, and or you can also tap on add more to add more images, videos or stories to your highlight. Once you are happy with all the settings, tap on save at the bottom of the screen and then the story will be added to your Facebook highlight. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.